Assalamu alaikum student. I am Ramesh Sultana from United Public School. Welcome to my class Biology 10th class first chapter Nutrition. Okay na? Before in classes we learned about what is nutrition. Just now I will recall that definition about nutrition. What is nutrition ma? Nutrition is a process of taking and consuming food and utilizing it. It is known as nutrition. The nutrition is only get from nutrient only. We know different types of nutrient is there present. So there are two types of nutrition. There are autotrophic nutrition and heterotrophic nutrition. What is autotrophic nutrition ma? The organism which prepare their own food from the inorganic substances known as autotrophic nutrition. What is heterotrophic nutrition? The organism which is depend upon the other organism for food we call as heterotrophic organism. Just you see here, now we are starting the photosynthesis. Photosynthesis. What is photosynthesis ma? Just you see in that picture, did you see a plant is there and that chlorophyll pigment is there, oxygen is there, along with sunlight, carbon dioxide and water is also present in there. So what is photosynthesis? Photosynthesis is a complex process in our nature. It is the process by which a living plant cell containing chlorophyll produced food substance like glucose and starch from the carbon dioxide and water. By using light energy, plants release oxygen as a waste product during photosynthesis. So the material required in photosynthesis are carbon dioxide, water and chlorophyll. Just you see here in the diagram, first here light is there, plant is there. In that plant, green color substances leaf is there, we called as chlorophyll. Because of the chlorophyll only the photosynthesis take place here. So plant in that chlorophyll and along with the carbon dioxide and water, by using sunlight, plant prepared the food like glucose and as well as starch. And here just you see the oxygen is released. Here oxygen is released now. By using all these things, plant produced water, plant produced food like glucose and starch, and at last he will release oxygen as a waste material. Did you got my point? Just it is simple hai, just it's simple. Did you know? Here just light is there and carbon dioxide is there and water is there and chlorophyll is there. In the presence of light and chlorophyll, by utilizing carbon dioxide and water, plant produced food. What type of food substance? Like glucose and starch, and release oxygen as a waste material. So photosynthesis is a complex process in our nature. So just you see here ma, photosynthesis process can be represented as, just you see here, when carbon dioxide molecule is utilized, carbon dioxide molecule as well as water molecule utilized by the plant in the presence of light and the chlorophyll, what will be formed ma? What will be formed? Glucose and H2O and as well as oxygen will be released as a what? Waste product. This is our what ma? Photosynthesis process can be represented as like this. It is 1 marks important question ma. It will be asked like write the photosynthesis process. How will be the photosynthesis process represented? Write it. Just you write when carbon dioxide, this is a chemical. You have to write like this only. When carbon dioxide molecules and water molecules utilized by the plant in the presence of light and chlorophyll, the food substances will be formed. What substance will form? Food substance like glucose and H2O and oxygen will be released as a waste product. So got it my point? So just you write homework. What will you write? Write deeply about photosynthesis process and submit in the group. Okay, thank you. Just write and submit in the group.